Hi all, and today we are showing you a very important part during the LCD laminating. No matter what kind of phones or what kind of machines you are using, they are all using the same way. If you are not doing correctly in this process, and then it will create a lot of bubble. So I hope this video can help you well, and please take a look at this video carefully and look at my hand and how do I operate it. So first of all, we clean the LCD to make sure there is no dust, there is no oil on that. It should be extremely clean. All right, and when you are doing the real job, and please do not forget that don't wear the gloves and avoiding the dust. Okay, so we are now peeling off the protector slowly, then make it upside down to here to avoid the dust, and then putting the screen on. Okay, and then most importantly, check very careful when we are putting down the glass. We have to be very slow. Do not let this glass completely contacting with the LCD. This is the most important point, because if the glass is totally completely contacting with this LCD, that means the air will be locked inside, and if the air has been locked inside, that is for sure, no matter what kind of machines you're using, no matter how you did that, the bubble inside, it is impossible to be removed. So this is why sometimes the customer, they are using the machine, and after laminating there are a lot of bubbles, and the bubbles could not be removed. That is all because of this problem. Okay, as you could see right now, actually the glass is not contacting with the LCD. There is some space between the LCD and the glass at this moment. Okay, so before moving this combo to the laminator, for avoiding the glass is moving left or right, then we will use two finger, and you could see from the other side there is a hole right here. There's a hole right here. We will use two finger to just give a little bit pressure in the middle to make it contact a little bit, just a little bit. Like this video already too much, because this mold is not really fitting well with this LCD. So you cannot just use a finger to press it and squeeze it. Cannot do it like that. We can only use two finger to do something like, you take a look at this side. We can only use the finger like this and press the middle a little bit, only if until it contact a little bit with the LCD, then it is enough. Just a little bit, then it is enough. The less it is contacting before laminating, the better result you will have. So this is extremely important point. Please do make sure you have already watched this video carefully and you have been well understood on this point. So should you have any other questions about that, you can contact us. But if you are not totally understanding, you can contact us also. So in a lot of time, the screen has bubble. We can say that 99% it is not about the machine, it is about this process, the alignment plus process. Only if this process is doing correctly and using the correct laminating pad, then for sure it will have no bubble, because this way already experienced in the market for many years. All right, or no matter is it you are using our machine or using other brand machine, they're the same. Only if you are doing in this way, it won't have any bubble. Okay, the machine, or maybe this machine is bad quality or good quality or excellent quality. No matter what kind of laminator in the market right now, it won't create any bubble anymore, because this technical already very good in the market. Okay, everybody knows that. Only sometimes the new clients in this industries, you might not watch this kind of video yet, so sometimes you might make the problem on this at this point. Okay, so if you check carefully, because I have already stayed here for too long time, you can see here actually already has a bubble here. You can see the OCA already contacting surround this area. Okay, the black area, that means the OCA of the glass already contact with the LCD. So like this kind of bubble already locked. No matter you are using like 5 kilo pressure or 6 kilo pressure or 10 kilo pressure, you cannot remove it. You cannot remove it like this. This is very important. Okay, like this kind of bubble right here, very tiny one, this kind of bubble is okay. Like this kind of big one, it will have a big problem. Okay, or if your glass is contacting like this, I make another sample. If it is contacting like this, then the huge bubble right here cannot be removed. Very important, because a lot of time, if the customer they don't take good care of this, they after doing alignment, they might holding the LCD like this, and then just hold it, and then they are so afraid that maybe this glass could move, then they press it like this, or they don't care about it, just holding like this, and then just lay it down or place it in the chamber very freely. So this is the big problem. Okay, like this, it's not okay. Do not press it, do not squeeze it. This is the wrong way. Okay, so that's all.